absolutely first class. Would I use them again? Of course I would. Thank you very much indeed, Jan.
Before I do that, I'm going to switch it off. Right, the power's off. Where's the voltage coming from? And then I'm going to figure out if it's off. Actually, you got it in off position now. It was on position before that. Well, on again. Please. Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Working on this ideal classic. Now the problem with this one is it's constantly on central heating. You can't turn the central heating off. It's on all the time. So hopefully we're going to diagnose it and repair it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So if we off again. So if we put this on heating, and it's gone into heating, yeah. But that's on off demand. The boiler is still going into heating. So we're gonna have to check the room stats out, yeah? Let's go and check the room stats out. Yeah.
That's playing up here.
Yeah. Okay. Off. Actually, you got it in off position now. It was on position before that. Yeah. See? That's on. Right. So again, that's off. So let's see if the boiler should be off here.
Do you want the boiler manual?
No, I'm fine.
No. Well, that is teaching your granny to suck eggs, I suppose, yeah. How long have you been at this game, Jan?
Oh, probably 18, 19 years.
Wow. What do you think might be the problem?
Now I'm going to switch this baby off. Yeah. Right, guys, I got the Randall off. The mandel, okay, on there. No demand there. And the Randall's on and it's still fighting % treating. So we're going to open this baby up now and see where the voltage is coming from. Okay. So I've got it all open now. It's all open now, yeah. I'm going to check the voltage over here. Where's the voltage coming from? And then I'm going to figure out if it's a room or
Could you get the pouch?
is there an issue here, which is the diverter valve, which is over there. So let's check the voltage now. Right, where is it?
You must have had some really bad rain here, over here for the last few weeks.
Yeah, we did actually.
We've got it over in Biasi, where I live, last week. We had some bad flooding then, but it's all dried up and gone sunny again now.
So we got no heating. It's gone off now. We're alright now, yeah. I know that if I switch the tap on, it will come on. So we're not gonna keep on testing the tap on. Right, I'm gonna put your Randall on now. Right, we're gonna put the Randall on now, yeah. Let's see. There you go. Right, the demand's on. So I'm hoping now the boiler should fire up. Has the boiler fired up?
It went to P. Yep.
Yeah.
A P and the light came on and now it's on.
It's not heating this part up.
But you wouldn't do it in the summertime.
Now the Randall's on. Now I'm going to switch this baby off. Yeah. Has the boiler gone off?
Yes, the boiler's gone off.
Okay, that means your room starts fine. So I'm going to switch that back on. Alright, we're going to put this. Now we know the Honeywell's working fine. We know the Vandal's working fine. We're going to reconnect that wire and then we're going to test the thermostat. Okay, we're going to test that and that's going off now. Okay, before I do that, I'm going to switch it off. And the power's off, and then I'm going to connect the wire on. We've connected that back on. That's right. We're going to switch the. We're not going to switch the power on. We're going to put the display back on.
Listening to English people talk about how many miles they'd done during the day, the French were more interested. So basically, yeah.
Right. Okay.
But it's all one set of language and probably very similar grammars to all of them.
Right. I've connected. Right. I'll put that in thingy. Now, it's just quickly going to. Let's put the heater on. Right, it's quiet up. Now I've reconnected the thermostat. Now I'm gonna. And it's going. Even though once. Right, guys. As you know, it was working before. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the temperature down to 0. When I go back to the boiler, I'm expecting that to go to turn off. Okay. The C sign to come off. So let's go back to the boiler. And I'm at the boiler. 1 second.
You want the heater on there?
Right. But the central heating is still on. So we're gonna test that now.
Upwards, sideways, I wouldn't have found that. I've already checked eBay to see if they've got any on sale.
Right, guys, we just gotta change this stat, and that's it. The customer wants to do it themselves, saves them while their labor costs. So, but anyway, that's up to them. I've diagnosed it, and this is what's the problem with it. Just needs 3 wires to change, and it should be a simple job. Right, guys, this one, right, the stat over there, overheat stat, that was just stuck in. The first stat that was just stuck in on position all the time, all the way. Even if they didn't need it, there was no demand, and it wasn't freezing in here, it still would come on. So we got to change that, and the customers want to change it themselves, save themselves some labor costs. But anyway, it's all working fine now, and I'm just gonna go inside, put the room stat on, and it should work. It has worked before. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. So just gonna put this on demand, right? I heard the boiler. So let me just check the Randall's on, and the Randall's on. When I go back into the shed, hopefully the boiler should fire up. Hopefully the boiler should fire up.
And that's that one fits in this terminal there, yeah?
And it's fired up on C. Right, guys, it's all working now, yeah. And that's just been looped out. Okay. Right, guys, I've just sorted the boiler, diagnosed it for him, and the gentleman is happy to give me a review. Right.
Jan came to see me today after I called him to look at my boiler. I couldn't find the problem at all. Jan found it near enough straight away. He's shown me exactly what I need to do, and what more can I say? Absolutely first class. Would I use him again? Of course I would. Thank you very much indeed, Jan.
Oh, thank you so much. Amazing review. I am so grateful for that. Thank you so much.